Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My eyes are swollen because our sleep schedule has been so off. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now and I'm gonna make chicken and waffles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see it, then stay tuned. So all of the recipes that I'm using will be in the description box down below, so you guys go check that out. This one is Natasha's Kitchen's recipe. I'm gonna half it because I don't want like too many leftover waffles. I already had this prepped last night. It's just flour and just our favorite seasonings. So that's it. This is the night before and I am just brining the chicken breast. I'll leave the recipe in the description box down below. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to put these in the air fryer. I will cook this for I'm gonna say 10 minutes and I'll flip halfway through. I freaking love this tiny little waffle maker. I don't know what it is. It's some cooking spray. She said if there's clumps and stuff, it's actually good, so your waffle's not gonna be rubbery. And we all know the first waffle is gonna be terrible. And what's funny is that this shirt is what I wore for my very first YouTube video. I think it was about 5 to 6 years ago. Please don't go watch that video. I can't get myself to delete it for some reason. It's a get ready with me. I think it's more like a morning routine kind of thing. Sometimes I just like to flip it. You're probably not supposed to do that, but you don't have to. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you even see it? The waffles are done. I'm still making leftover, and then I'm gonna make the spicy honey butter sauce. And that's what it looks like. And I put the sauce in a little pot. So I'm gonna drizzle the spicy honey butter on top. Yum. And I'm also doing a TikTok on it. I think I overcooked it.
Okay. Let's try this out.
Yum. This is a southern like website, so this is what people make out there, okay?
I would definitely ask for this again. I like it a lot.
No, you wouldn't.
No, I'm serious. It's really good.
Really?
Yeah.
That is really good. He wanted an egg so he can make a little sandwich.
Oh, cheese. Ready?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh. That looks so good. That's our breakfast, and I will be back when it's lunchtime. Alright, so it is about lunchtime. I think it's past lunch. It's like 2 o'clock. We're eating lunch a little late because I forced them to do a TikTok with me. And I'm going to be making Monte Cristo. Is that how you say it? Sandwiches? I was craving it the other day and I was like, you know, I should make it. And I'm gonna use this mayo. It is so freaking good. Okay, so I'm just gonna crack 2 eggs, some seasoned salt, and some milk. About that much. 3 slices of bread. Put it like this. This bread, just 2 slices. How do people do this satisfying? I can't. And mozzarella cheese. No, Freya. No, 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 Freya. Turkey. No, Freya. No. I'll give you some later. No, 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 no. Excuse me. She will take this whole thing. She will take it down with her. A little bit of cheese there. Freya, I'm watching you. Do another. There's one. Freya, no. And just like that. We're gonna press it down. No, Freya. Just get it down. No, excuse you. Get your grimy paws off of here. Yep, that works. Freya, doesn't this look yum? And also melting some butter. A complete fail because I forgot to press record. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys on this one. We're going to dip. And that's so good. Oh. And just like so. I don't even know if I should put a lid, yeah. For about 4 minutes. I'm hoping that I'm not scared. No, but oh, just a little crispy. Oh, and I also added some olive oil. Oh shoot, she's ready. No. The Arby's fries are literally like my favorite frozen fries ever. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, the cheese didn't fully melt. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, ready?
This looks amazing. What should I try first? I think the sandwich.
Kind of burnt.
Oh my gosh. Perfection right there.
Yum.
I'm gonna try it without the sauce first.
The cheese didn't melt.
Rude. I don't even know. I don't want to mess it up. It looks so good.
The cheese didn't melt fully. Is it good? Is it too burnt?
This is where it needs to be. 10.5 out of 10.
Oh,
For
yay.
sure.
Okay, so you
yeah.
like that more than the breakfast?
Oh yeah. The breakfast is good, but this is better.
It is good. It's just spicy from the nuclear mayo, but other than that, okay, I'm gonna eat this one. I already did it for the TikTok, so that's why it's bitten.
I don't think it would have been as good with normal mayo.
I was gonna
think
use
nuclear
PP
is
mayo.
Perfect. Look at that.
So easy to
curly
make.
fry.
So
That's like a 6 fry right here.
I love these little things. Can you open my sauce, please? Thank you. Okay, that's actually spicy, so.
And you ready to eat spicy ketchup with it?
My fries.
Yeah,
Thank
exactly.
You can't go wrong with curly fries. We're gonna finish up our lunch and we'll see you guys for dinner. All right, you guys, it is, honey, what time is it?
7:39.
7:39, and we are ready for dinner. So let's make some dinner. I'm gonna be trying the TikTok recipe of the rice cakes, turning rice paper rice paper into rice cakes. I don't know how to say the actual name. I want to know if it's the same as actual rice cakes. I'm really curious and I'm really excited to try it. Delish. Yes, Freya. Oh, so this is soup dumplings that I love from Trader Joe's. I'm sure you guys have seen it on TikTok. And these are what they look like when they are done. It's comfort food. I'm excited. And this is his pho. He is here. Let's test the egg out. Oh, I hope it doesn't go everywhere.
What's going on? Yeah, I'll pop this one for the clout. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look at that.
Does it have the same consistency as an actual rice cake?
It tastes exactly like a rice cake. That's so weird. Huh.
Mmm.
It's a little harder, but like I like it. It got a good taste to it.
It's chewier than a rice cake. Mmm. It tastes so good though. Ooh. Look at that bite. If you guys can't get your hands on rice cakes, at least get the rice paper and make it yourself. It's very similar.
That one wasn't one.
That's alright, fish cake. It's so good. Did you like that one?
Yeah. Pretty good. Not really a soup dumpling person.
With sauce. Mmm. Alright, you guys, this wraps up the video. Dinner was a freaking one. Let us know if you guys tried the TikTok hack for rice cakes, and let me know if you think that they're better than original rice cakes or if you don't like it. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!